basement of a cape which was built in the 1800s. You can see the stone basement has been fully repointed here. Here's the 200 amp breakers, and you can see the original rough hewn four joists here. Okay, and yep, going over the whole thing, and all been repointed. And we have the submersible pump in the well system here, and we have the oil heat and the indirect hot water heater. This is for the domestic hot water system with the new oil tank. So there's lots of good stuff in here. We're going to try to go upstairs and keep the video going. And we have new copper waste lines here and new plastic waste lines here. You can see the real 2x4s, 2x10s actually. Now we're coming up into the kitchen. See the kitchen, you'd be entering in through the back door here. So now we're in the kitchen. You know, it's a nice little kitchen here. You can see how the ceiling is, this is about a 6.5 foot ceiling. And we're going to look outside in the yard. It's got a good sized yard there. I think we can see a septic tank out there. And going in, I'm going to see the nice wide plank floors. This would be the dining room, cast iron. And again, nice exposed brick on the fireplace. Multiple fireplaces in here. Original windows. And some exposed wood there. Going in through the front door, we're going to see the bathroom, which is, you know, very nice, beautiful bathroom here with the stonework on the bathroom. So they've incorporated some wood and stone into the bathroom. And we're going into regular hardwood floors here. This is the living room with the large, again, fireplace, 1800s style here. You can see the low ceiling. You see my hand up here. So it's really nice, more exposed wood, hardwood floors. You can see a little of the ridges from the hardwood floors being refinished. That's something that could be resolved by a professional. And we're moving into the room before the stairs. Here's another fireplace. This is the third fireplace as we're looking at. I believe this would have been the fireplace that they would have used to heat the upstairs. So the heat would have risen up the stairs, and we're going to go up the stairs. Nice narrow stairway here, and we'll see two bedrooms. This is a updated bathroom. The updated bathroom, looking out onto the garage. See if we can get a picture of the backyard. Not really. And we got the updated bathroom and one bedroom here. This is about a 10 by 14 bedroom. Again, the ceiling is about 7 feet high. One closet there. And the space before we go into the other bedroom is a larger bedroom. This bedroom is, I don't know, maybe 16 by 12. And you can see looking outside, there's a heat riser, so the heat actually rises through the floor. Nice hardwood floors up here, closets, go back downstairs. So it's a really nice little cape built in the 1800s. And multiple fireplaces, lots of exposed brick, wide plank floors, going out the kitchen door into the breezeway. The breezeway connects to a two-car garage. Here's the two-car garage, not remarkable two-car garage. And then we go out of the breezeway. Maybe we don't go out of the breezeway. Yes, we do go out of the breezeway into the backyard. And here we have the side yard. So this is running close to a road. Not a lot of traffic, but it is a state road. So there you go. See if we can take a look at the back of the house. See the roof. Has a lot of mold on it. So this looks like a wooden, probably cedar shake roof with the original chimney here. The front of the house looks very similar, so it's an attractive vintage cape. And we're going to go outside and look at the front of the house now. And here's the front of the house. There we go. Okay, so this is house number 3. And there's the 2-car garage, stone driveway, breezeway. Hope you've enjoyed touring this house today. My name is David Carr.